Yo, what's going on? All you people that got these Nissan Altimas 2.5S, constant issue, damn misfire. So I bought brand new O2 sensors, wasn't that? I bought all brand new spark plugs, wasn't that? Coil packs, wasn't that? I kept getting a constant misfire for cylinder 3, which is always cylinder 1's always going to be closer to your pulleys. So you got one, two, three, four. And I did all that. It was not that. Come to find out, my damn fuel injector was clogged up on the number 3, and I put one on there, brand new. They'll run you 150. What I did, I went to the local junkyard, grabbed mine for like $5, and it worked. I mean, it's been like 3 weeks, no misfire, and also I was constantly burning fuel, not fuel, but I was burning oil. I would go through a quart of oil every week or so. But just to give you a heads up, if it ain't none of those problems, it's gonna be your fuel injector. So pop a brand new one in there or use the good one in there, and you should be good. Alrighty. Hope this works, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.